Welcome to the digital age, where email lists and YouTube marketing go hand in hand. Email lists are a goldmine for personalized YouTube content promotion. Tailoring content to your audience increases engagement and views. The first step is building a robust email list. Engage your audience through newsletters, updates, and exclusive content, fostering a sense of community. Next, create captivating, value-driven YouTube content. This content should resonate with your email subscribers, encouraging clicks and shares. Consistency is key. Regularly update both your YouTube channel and email subscribers with fresh, relevant content. Leverage analytics. Track email campaign success and YouTube engagement to refine your strategy and maximize impact. Encourage interaction. Prompt your email subscribers to like, share, and comment, boosting your YouTube algorithm ranking. Utilizing email lists for YouTube marketing is a game changer. It's all about creating value, fostering community, and staying consistent. Remember, the digital world is at your fingertips, so leverage email lists and make your mark on YouTube.